Hello my dear students, today we will start with OCM. In that we have already started topic number 8, that is Introduction to Management. In that we have completed meaning, definition of management and features of management. Then afterwards we have completed levels of management. In that we have completed functions of top level management. So today, my dear students, we will proceed with a new concept. Clear? Levels of management. As we have already discussed, there are three levels of management: top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. So dear students, in top level management, we have board of directors, president, chief executive officer, managing director. Then in middle level management, we have functional managers, right? Finance manager, then production manager, sales manager, etc. Then in lower level management, we have supervisors and foremen. Then afterwards, we have learned top level management. You all know that top level management is nothing but it is the ultimate authority in the organization. Then top level management frames the vision and long term objective of the organization. Today in detail we will learn middle level management. Dear students, middle level management, it is a level between top level and lower level of management. We can say that middle level management is a connecting link between the top level management and the lower level management. It is concerned with implementation of plans and policies. That means whatever policies are framed by top level management, they all policies are accepted by middle level management. Clear? And they will implement those plans and policies. Then here we can see that it includes in charge or head of various department. As I said that it includes functional managers. So here we can see finance manager, production manager, sales manager, human resource manager, and many more. Then they work on getting things done which are decided by top level managers with the help of lower level of management. So middle level management is nothing. It is a connecting link between top and lower level management. Whatever policies are framed by top level management is accepted by middle level management. Clear students? Then later we will see um, the functions of middle level management. Clear? What are the functions of middle level management? Here we can see number one point, to link between the and lower level management. Right? It is a link between. That means middle level management is a connecting link between top level and lower level management. The number two point we will see, to understand plans and policies framed by top level management. That means whatever policies are framed by top level management is accepted by middle level management, and they will understand the policies and plans and they will start working. Then number three point we can see, to prepare the plan of action according to the nature of the department in accordance with achieving the goals of overall organization. That means here the plan is accepted and what they will do, they will work accordingly to achieve the goals of the organization. The number four point we will see, to assign the duties and responsibilities to the staff working in the department. Clear? That means here the work is assigned, the duties is assigned to the staff working in the department. The next point, to train the staff for carrying out different activities in nature. That means middle level management looks after the training, right, to give the training to the staff for different activities. The next point we will see, to appoint lower level staff. Clear? That means if there is any urgency in lower level management, then it is a responsibility of middle level management to appoint the lower level staff. The next point last, to give timely report to top level management and coordinate the departmental activities. That means whether the lower level department is working properly or not, this report will be submitted by middle level management to top level management. Clear students? So that's all for today my dear students. In my next lecture we will start with lower level management. Thank you.